Hey guys, welcome to my channel. What I got here today is the Double Dragon. I suppose it's a joystick. It's an arcade stick, a small joystick. You can plug this straight to your TV. Basically, you have to play it, your TV anyway, and play Double Dragon. Let's see, that's a classic Double Dragon. There you go. Looks cool. Alright, let's open it. But before that, let me check something. Okay, let's open it. Wow, look at that. Okay, the AV cable, audio and videos, and a manual, user guide. There you go. A and B, two buttons, and start. On off. I suppose it's battery operated. Off, go like this. There you go. And it takes 3 AA batteries. That Double Dragon. That's pretty awesome. There you go, guys. Thank you for watching.